Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you one of my detox weight loss recipes that helps me pass out all the bad fat from my system. So for this recipe we'll be using 2 pineapples. By peeling our pineapples. Pineapples are very good in weight loss. Pineapples do contain this enzyme called bromelain, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapples are so rich in fiber. You know, if you want to lose weight, any food that is rich in fiber, that is what we should be consuming, because that keeps you full for a longer time and makes you eat less. They are so rich in nutrients and vitamins. They help you improve your digestive health. They help you break down all the bad fat from your system. So I'll be chopping up my pineapples into small blendable cubes. As you can see, my pineapple peels, I won't be throwing them away because the pineapple peels are just as nutritious as the inner part of the pineapple. You can use the pineapple peels to make weight loss smoothie teas. So in this case, I'll just bag them up in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer, because for this recipe, I won't be using this. Our next ingredient for this recipe will be some apples. Apples are so rich in fiber and water content, which keeps you full for a longer period of time. Have you heard this saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away? And I also heard this saying that an apple a day keeps the weight away, which is so true. Apples are one of the fruits that makes it on the shopping list of someone that is trying to lose weight. Our next ingredient will be 2 lemons and 1 lime. Lemons are said to be very rich in vitamin C and very low in calories. Lemon helps in speeding up metabolism and breaking down of fat cells. Consuming lemon in your drinks or smoothies will help you suppress weight gain and fat accumulation in the body. Lemon has loads of health benefits. If you're struggling with indigestion, lemon can help you improve your digestion. We can go on and on with the health benefit of this particular fruit. So I'm peeling and deseeding my lemons, and then I'll go ahead and chop them up. If you're watching me and you like my content and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So please go ahead and click the red button. And to my returning subscribers, I do not take your support for granted. Thank you guys for always coming back. I'm doing same for the lime. I'm just peeling and chopping it up. Limes are very acidic, which helps with weight loss. It helps you break down all the stubborn fat in your system. If you can't stand much of acidic stuff, do not worry. Our pineapples will somehow neutralize the acidic content. The next ingredient is ginger. Where do I start with this one? I don't think there's any smoothie or juice that I make without adding ginger. There are certain compounds in ginger that has been said to help you lose weight and burn fat fast. It will help you break down that stubborn fat, especially around the middle area, your belly area, and make you lose weight. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. So our next step now will be to put all the ingredients into a blender and blend into very smooth consistency. The ingredients will be in the description box, so check out for that, guys. I'm just going ahead now to add our pineapples into the blender. Then we'll add some water and bring this to a blend. Look at that smooth consistency. So we're just going to go ahead now and strain. The straining process will take a little bit longer. So just keep straining until you have your juice, which will help you lose weight and burn some fat and make you poop out all the stubborn fat from your system. Look at our juice, guys. If you can see, there's a bit of foam at the top. That is because of the blending process. So you can carefully scoop that out with a spoon and your juice is ready to be consumed. Look at that. It was just so tasty and delicious. So go ahead and add some ice cubes and enjoy. Cheers! And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.